Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to talk about another platform or exchange that can trade crypto, forex, and other commodities, guys. But before that, please subscribe to my channel. This is not a financial advice. This is for entertainment only, guys, because crypto has risk. Without further ado, guys, let's get into it. Alright, right now, this is the current website of the AvantisFi.com. So, global market, limitless leverage, built on and backed by Base Network, guys. You can trade crypto, forex, metal, commodities, and this is straight from your wallet, guys. If you want to see their launch or app, guys, just click the launch app right here and you will see the trading or the app itself here, guys. You can have the long or short term here, guys. Okay. All cryptos that you know is supported by this platform or the Avantis, guys. Okay. You have the ETH, BTU, and also the Sol. The three big crypto and Doggy and Fart. The number one meme coin right now is the Doggy. It's also right here, guys. You can trade here also. Let's go back to the home. And they have a total traded volume of 25 million, guys, and 2.3 million or 1,000 traders with 43,595 traders, guys. And also, they have their own utility token, guys, called AVNT token. So, Fueling Universal Leverage, AVNT is the native utility and the government's tokens of Avantis. Base largest derivatives exchange for RWAs and crypto assets. It powers protocol incentives, trader rewards, and community-driven development, guys. So, one exchange, infinite strategy. So, that is AvantisFi, guys. So, maximize your alpha pair crypto leverage with uncorrelated real-world assets while retaining custody of your collateral, guys. You will have the Metal X Crypto, Oil X Crypto, and Forex Crypto also available here at Avantis, guys. For example, this is the scalable leverage for everyone, guys, the Avantis Edge. They also have the loss protection and the positive slippage, guys. Traders are rewarded with the positive slippage when they help balance open interest, helping them enter traders and prices better than market price. So, loss protection, trade with confidence, and get up to 20% rebate on your losses when going against popular sentiment. Use this rebate to trade directionally or create unique arbitrage strategies. Okay, they also have a liquidity provider. So, optimized for LPs, liquidity provider built for every type of LP. And built with Avantis SDK Power Platform with Avantis. Okay. They'll also have built for type of LP. Avantis unlocks a new design space for LPs, guys, via unique time and risk parameters. Choose to be on the lowest or highest end of the risk spectrum based on your view of the market. So, built with Avantis SDK. They have the trusted by the best Galaxy Modular Capital partner with Pantera, Founder Fund, and Base Network, guys. This is the Love by Our Communities section, guys, on Twitter and the Discord channel. You can just visit here. Their social, guys. Okay. So, the airdrop, you can also see the airdrop of AVNT token. You may be eligible for an airdrop if you've Avantis Trader Trading XP, Avantis LP Liquidity XP, Wall Chain Quacks, and engage with Avantis ecosystem partners. If you have or just engage here on the Avantis, guys, you can just claim your free AVNT or airdrop right here, guys. They also have the staking. Okay. And the token itself, guys, you can see right here. So, this is the utility token of Avantis. It's a fully on-chain high-performance exchange offering cross-asset leverage on crypto, forex, metals, equities, and other real-world assets, guys. They have the core utility, governance, community rewards, token allocation, guys. On-chain incentives has a 28.6%. So, Builder has a 9% team and advisor 13.3%, investor 26.6%, and foundation has only 4%, liquidity reserve 6% guys, and total supply is the 100%. They also have the FAQ question right here. Why does AVNT exist? Is the utility and the governance token Avantis exists to give the community ownership and decision-making power and to incentivize participation across the ecosystem, guys. Okay? They also have the white paper or the docs and the build right here at the website itself, guys. So, welcome to Avantis Trader. So, Avantis Trader SDK is a powerful and flexible toolkit for trading on the Avantis platform, guys. Okay? I think that's all about this new and good platform that you can use trading forex, metals, and other commodities that you want to trade, guys. So, again, this is the Avantis. Bye-bye.